Well, the Duke boys got a new truck. Let's see if she goes.
Oh, almost.
I think that's the best she's ever started. A little fresh air. Smells like gas, but that's alright. And I found a nice little extension to this. Awesome. Hauling ass and sucking gas.
Yeah, now she's getting stripped. Now she starts. Do it again.
Another big block 4.9. And
oh, whoa. That smells like raw gas. Holy crap.
I'm getting buzzed already, man. Wow, man. Minor electrical problems.
I'm gonna miss that.
And with the buzzer still going, we have that one going. But for some reason, and we only have the left signal on. That gets me every time. Big block 4.9, and the other pig with a nice little gap.
The Crown Victoria hubcaps adds 10 horsepower per cap, so I'm missing one. That's why the cops can catch me now.
And a really badass tailgate. All that's missing now is the Ricer taillights, and you would have been good. It would have ran perfectly.
Be the color of the Quebec flag, primer gray. Oh man,
I don't think that's supposed to come off that easily.
You're degrading my value, my scrap value, I mean. Okay, now it's in neutral. I can put it in gear without stepping on the clutch. There you go.
But there's a slight problem here.
Go down a second. There you go. That's in second. Speed is going up. Third.
Just take a look out the window to show the people what's really going on.
There you go.
Well, something's not working under here.
I think something's broken, sir.
Nah. What's really going on?
It's in third gear. Let's see if I can go. I can go in fourth. Oh yeah! Woohoo! Oh fuck!
Well, there's your problem. There we go.
Oh.
Sweet.
Sounds good.
It'll sound better later.
Oh, something's cooking. That's what you call a leaky valve cover. Burning oil, but not through the exhaust.
Smells delightful. New smoking deal of the week.
This truck is hot. Well, it's coming along. Luckily, not a lot of bolts were rusty on this truck, so that's good. They're all coming off pretty easy.
Yes, sir.
It's too bad about the busted differential, or else this would have been a nice truck to drive around in for a little while. Maybe when we remove the cab, I'll make a custom firewall welded on the frame, put the pedal assembly on it and everything like that. And maybe I will fix the rear end and go to Dave's farm with it. That'd be fucking fun, just driving on the frame.